The majority of Apple's iPhone 15 design changes have already leaked, but the company still had one surprise up its sleeve, revealing that the device will come in 3 new colors. The new colors are italicized, and it is important to note that light yellow is distinct from the current strong yellow finish on the iPhone 14 lineup. If the leak is accurate, it would mean that Apple is dropping light yellow, blue, and the deeper purple finishes this year. The only way to know for sure is to try it yourself. The options here are also noteworthy since an industry survey from March revealed that blue and purple were the 2 colors that iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus consumers preferred the most. Apple typically changes 1 or 2 colors each year but seldom 3. Conversely, reports of a bubblegum pink finish and pink being the most popular iPhone color for years, a new, brighter blue color was reportedly said to be coming, according to a rumor that was first leaked in March. Similar rumors of Apple releasing a new hero color in either deep blue or dark red have been made about the finishes of the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models. Additionally, the cost of the new iPhone 15 range is unclear. According to sources, Pro model pricing might rise by as much as $200. Although a new titanium chassis could play a role, the main improvements for both models, the next generation A17 chipset, super thin bezels, enhanced UWB, and a solid-state action button that takes the place of the mute switch, are more definite. These include the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models. Interestingly, my sources disagreed over the hero color for the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, with support for both the dark red finish and the iPhone 14 Pro's A16 chip. The iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus models are anticipated to use the A16 chip and copy the iPhone 14 Pro's design. The first time I've seen this, it's been a while since I've seen it. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.